In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Calendly URL. Whether you're seeking a more personalized link that reflects your brand or simply wanting to update it for easier sharing, this guide will help you achieve that with a few straightforward steps. To begin with, let's navigate to the Calendly homepage. This is your starting point where you'll find all the tools you need to manage your scheduling effectively. Look for your profile icon, which you'll typically find at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this icon will give you access to a drop-down menu with several options concerning your account and settings. In the drop-down menu, search for and click on My Link. This is the section where you'll get the chance to customize that all-important URL. A personal URL can make your scheduling page not only easier for others to memorize, but also more professional and aligned with your personal or business brand. Now that you're on the My Link page, you'll see a field where you can type your desired URL. Keep in mind that while this field allows for creativity, it's best to choose something simple and relevant to what you do. If you're using your Calendly for business, incorporating your name or business name is a good practice. This will help your clients and colleagues recognize and trust your link. Once you've decided on a suitable new URL and entered it, make sure to double-check your spelling. After all, a typo might make it difficult for people to find you or even detract from the professionalism of your page. When you're satisfied with what you've typed, it's time for the final and crucial step, saving your changes. To save your changes, look for the Save Changes button on the page. Clicking this button will confirm your modifications and update your URL. This simple act ensures that your new link is ready to be shared with the world. Remember, sharing your link is the final step in maximizing the utility of your new, personalized URL. Once you've saved, consider distributing your updated link through professional networks, on your email signature, or across social media platforms where potential clients or partners can access your calendar easily. And there you have it, an effortless way to update a Calendly URL. With just a few clicks, you can create a link that represents you or your business well and enhances your scheduling communication. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share it with others who might benefit from a polished and professional Calendly page. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.